What is up, guys? Another episode of Tyrsky. Today we have a checklist for 3 things. First of all, I'm gonna sand just a little bit on the inside. There's a few bad spots on the varnish inside the cabin that I want to take care of, and first of all we're gonna sand them out. Number 2, I'm gonna clean up the bilge. I have a vacuum cleaner over here, and I'm gonna vacuum all the dirt and sand away from the bilge. And number 3, I'm gonna spread some linen oil to the bilge to impregnate the hull just a little bit more, so the moist can get into the boat. So let's get going then. So what I'm gonna do is that when we have this one door where there are few dry spots on the varnish, I don't know if you can see it over here. It doesn't shine the way the other parts do, and there's the other another one. But because I'm gonna varnish them again, I'm gonna sand this whole wall so that it will be with the same kind of finish all over. So yeah. And again, there's nothing special about this. I'm gonna just use 180 grit sandpaper to just dull the surface, and after that I just clean it up and put a new varnish in. I'm not gonna take it all the way to the wood, so this is just maintenance stuff. Okay, now I have removed all the boards from the way, and I have vacuumed the whole boat. So this is quite a puzzle. There's something like 30 boards to cover all the floors up, and it's gonna be quite a puzzle to get them back together, but I think I'll manage after all. But yeah, now I'm just gonna do some oiling for the bottom. So yeah, let's go. So, first of all, I need to do the solvent for the oil. I have 10 liters of linen oil here, and half a liter of this, what is it in English? I don't know. Zinc naphthenate or something like that. So this is for the impregnation, and this is for mold, so that this linen oil is quite eager to gather mold into it. So we need to use this one to prevent it, and it's going to be 4% solvent, so 96% of this and 4% of this one. And I'm gonna spread it into the boat with this pressurized can, and yeah, let's see what comes out of this. I'm gonna mix something like 1 liter of this stuff now, and it means that when I have 1 liter of this linen oil, I need something like 0.4 deciliters of the zinc naphthenate to get proper solvent. But let's see what comes out of it. This should be fun. I'm gonna pour it straight out without any. Is it even possible? Yes. And it's already too much, but it's not a problem. We'll manage. So then I need half a deciliter. It doesn't need to be exactly the right amount. I'm gonna do a clever approximate. Like that much. A little more. Yeah, that's nice. And then we just need to check that does it still come out through the bottle. If the stuff doesn't come out from the bottle, then I need to add some pine turpentine to make the solvent just a little bit more running. But let's see. I feel the pressure building up. Let's see. Yes. Like that. And then because of the nature of the mist that comes out of this bottle, I'm not gonna bring the camera up to the boat when I'm spreading this, because I don't want to get the oil all over the camera. So I'm gonna do this and I'll get back to you then. Okay, now I've spread it, the oil around the boat, around the bilge, and now I'm gonna take a cheap and useless brush to spread it out just a little bit to get it into the small corners and stuff like that. But yeah, this is just for maintenance. You don't have to do it quite every year, and I've had the boat now for 2 whole summers, and this is the first time I'm doing this, because the owner before me did this quite yearly, I believe, and there's still some oil residue on the bilge left, so you need to do this time to time, but it's not something that you have to do all the time, because there's only so much that wood can take in. And yeah, it's every year or every second year when you do this. But yeah, let's get going then. So now it's a bit too slippery here in the boat to do anything else. So all I have to do now inside is to sit here on the cockpit and wait for the summer. At least for today. Maybe I'm gonna do something to the outside. I have some painting stuff and things like that to do, but probably tomorrow or day after that I'm gonna come back inside and do some maintenance for the engine. All the basic checks, of course, the coolant liquids and oil stuff and things like that, just to check that all the levels are okay. I'm not gonna change the oil here in the barn because it's a lot easier when the engine is warm, and I can't keep the engine on for 10 minutes over here because it needs cooling, and it's a lot easier to do when the boat is on water. But what I am going to do is that I'm gonna change the fuel filters, and I'm gonna change the impeller for the water pump. So that's another video for the next time. So that's it for this video. Hope that you liked it, and yeah, we'll see you next time. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. And one more thing, some fun boat stuff just happened. I was looking at the engine, and I had my pocket over here left open, and when I looked down my phone fell out from the pocket, and I don't know if I can get it to the light. Focus. It's over there somewhere, and I don't think that I can get there, but this should be fun. This should be fun. Let's see. See you in an hour. Yeah. There it is. It's a nice thing that I just spread the linen oil over here, because that's disgusting. But yeah, can you see it? Yeah, it's all dripping. But a good thing that it was the oil and not water, because the oil is a bit thicker and it doesn't go immediately into the insides of the boat, but and the oil doesn't rust. Yeah, it still works for now. But yeah, lesson learned again. Double check your pockets when you duck down into the engine compartment of a boat.